We're approaching US border. First time. Duty free. The border. Ayan yung Canada border pabalik. So iba dadaanan natin sa kabilang side. This is the Canada border.
Natin tayo na.
20 lang.
In 200 meters, continue on to I-15 South.
And here's the border. And the border. Asa na ano? Agree na yun. We're approaching on the US border right now.
Hi. Good morning. First time.
I'm creeping up here like that. I've been wondering about it. Where are you going?
I'm going to Disneyland and Universal Studio.
Okay, how long are you going to be down there?
10 days.
Okay, and then driving all the way back. Are you going anywhere else? I mean, obviously the road trip.
Yeah, I
is
guess
that
road
part,
trip,
but
yeah.
like once you're down there, is there any other destination?
We're going to San Francisco. To visit
Okay.
our friends.
So just that area.
Yeah, this area.
Any fresh fruits, fresh vegetables?
No, nothing.
No?
No, nothing. Only like snacks.
Okay.
Snacks for my son.
Is there any meat products?
Oh no.
Good job.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You just wake up and said, oh, it's just the border.
It's gonna be a long drive. You'll
Yeah.
get there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, there's a white on your face. Just like that. See, it's so easy.
Wait, is this the airport?
It is easy.
Alam mo yan, ano, within the area din naman.
We made it.
I was
English,
sleeping
correct.
and I already made it that far.
Huh?
I was sleeping and I already
Yeah, and she's nice. The officer is nice. So yun nga, nakatapos kami sa US border na maayos at naghanap kami ng park to have some breakfast at ito nga yung nahanap namin nung nag-umaga, which is unang lugar sa after US border is Montana, USA. Samahan nyo kami sa magiging unang journey namin dito sa pag-entry sa US. First time namin all the way going to California. Samahan nyo kami sa adventure na to na aabutin ng ilang araw para makarating sa California.
Montana.
Montana.
Siguro itong bandang part ng Montana, medyo kamukha pa ng Canada kasi yung weather malamig pa. Pero pag pabandang pababa, di ba may mga palm tree na doon, yung parang buko na matataas, no?
Hand.
Kasi yung ano, tapos.
Nine? Graduate? Bigo.
Ang katao-tao.
Can be less because that's fat.
yun nga, habang nag-drive si Daddy along Montana, nadaanan namin tong spot na to at sobrang ganda niya. Kaya nag-stop kami to have some pictures at saka para makapag-stretching na din. After namin doon sa magandang spot na yon, diretso drive na naman. At ito na nga, nakarating kami sa unang city na nadaanan namin, which is yung Buttes, Montana. At dito kami mag-take ng lunch namin. Kaya nag-decide kami na mag-stop na rin dito at see kung anong meron ang Buttes, Montana. So let's go! We're here at Buttes, Montana. Ito yung second stop namin kasi yung first stop namin is Great Falls. Kumain na kami ng breakfast doon and super saglit lang yung stop namin. Siguro mga nag-nap kami ng 3 hours and then nag-breakfast. And then ngayon, second stop namin, nag-lunch kami dito sa Buttes. And we're ready to hit the road again, going to Utah. Is it Utah? Salt Lake City. Another 6 hours drive. And doon kami magpapalipas ng gabi. So, yun. Ito na yung third stop namin ng pagpapagas after 3.5 hours. Andito kami sa Idaho, Pocatello, Idaho. And 2.5 hours pa para makarating sa Salt Lake City kung saan kami mag-overnight bago kami mag-head to Las Vegas tomorrow morning kasi doon kami may hotel tomorrow. So, ito yung gas station along the way sa Pocatello, Idaho. Nakarating na kami sa Utah kung saan nasaan ang Salt Lake City at dito kami mag-spend ng overnight. Idaho. Ganda ni Idaho. Ganda ng road trip na rin. Maraming nagpapalipas din ng gabi, so hindi siya nakatuwa. And ang importante is merong washroom. Tapos may ilaw. At ito yung aming bed for tonight. And then, ito naman sa ammunition sa likod. And that is for daddy. Harapan. Hindi siya nagluluto ng rice. Magandang umaga. So natapos na kami mag-overnight doon sa stop. And ito na, magsisimula na naman kami sa road going to Las Vegas. Samahan na rin kami. City. Iyak ang powder.
If it's Salt City, where's the salt?
Ha?
If it's Salt City, where's the salt?
Sa kitchen.
Sa kitchen ng mga bahay.
You belong in the kitchen. Because you're a woman.
Ilang state na nadaanan mo? Tatlo. Good job, Daddy. Stop. Chick-fil-A. St. George, Utah. Grabe, napakainit naman din eh. Sobrang init. Oh, sorry naman.
I'm so hungry.
Ano po? Order. Ba't walang
So
Pilipino?
popular.
Wala na naman ako ito kung Pilipino dito. Napakainit sa lugar na to.
I want to go back to Red Deer. I mean Canada. I mean Canada. Not Red Deer.
Balik ka ng Red Deer. Ayoko nga, ikaw bumalik mag-isa sa lugar na yun.
I wanna go back to Canada. It's so hot here.
Ano ba?
Sa Canada kahit mainit eh.
Hindi ganito.
Ganito eh.
Doon nasa 30 plus to, no?
Mas mainit pa sa Kabanatuan eh.
St. George, Utah. Napakainit. Walang kapuno-puno. Sila tumitira dito pero yung mga bahay nila parang pang mayayaman. Desierto. Kasi mga drivers sige.
Hindi sila marunong, hindi sila kumalo ng mga ano, no? Limit.
Magdala sa
Ibang klase.
sa mga Americans. Grabe pa din ang mga rock dito.
Is that a river?
Tuyo nga eh. Sobrang init. Sobrang init
It
eh.
said it's a river, but where's the river?
Where's the river?
It said there's a river, but where is it? Where did the river go?
So, ayun na nga. Heading na kami sa Las Vegas at ito ang part 1 ng journey namin. Going to California. Samahan niyo kami sa part 2.